Hi, and welcome to this Pilates class, perfect if you're brand new to Pilates, giving you more time to breathe deeply with every movement. This is a more gentle class. You can really ease into the method. When you're ready, let's go ahead and begin in a cross-legged position on your mat. Hands can rest gently on your knees. Deep breath in, and exhale, dip your chin towards your chest. And start to do 3 slow circles in one direction with your neck, continuing to breathe deeply. Next time your chin tucks down, pause and reverse. Chin down, then reset with your head. Inhale, reach one arm up, maybe lengthening more. Exhale, stretch over side. Inhale, right back up. And reach longer side. Staying over side. Stretch forward at the diagonal. And come right back side. And again, stretch diagonal to side. Coming up and opposite side. Lengthen once again and stretch over side. Inhale up. Staying side and reach at the diagonal to side again. Reaching forward. And another time. Bringing yourself all the way up. And now switch the cross of your legs. Let your shoulders float up to the ears and start to do big circles with the shoulders. Still breathing deeply. Your shoulders will come up to the ears and reverse your direction. Shoulders up to the ears, and they just soften down. Bring your hands right in front of your chest here. And inhale, rotate to one side. Exhale, center. Inhale, second. And center. And just feel this rotation. Really try to sense the breath going deep into body. Another time here. Very nice. Come onto your hands, onto your knees now. Having your hands right underneath the shoulders, knees right underneath the hips. As long as it feels okay, tuck your toes. Natural curves of spine. Press the hips back towards the heels of the feet, and then rock forward over the hands. So you may start to sense a stretch through the feet, and maybe then a little extra pressure on the wrists, just warming them up a little bit. One more time back, and keep your shoulders directly over your wrists. Exhale, round through the spine. Nice, big, open, round, 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 round. Release the head. Inhale back to that natural curves of your spine. And deep breath out, round, round, round. So this next time, really see if you can create more space. The whole back of body, stay round and press your shape back. Rock forward and pressing back and forward. Just one more time back and forward. Natural curves with spine. From here, inhale, extend through. And natural curves. Inhale. And keeping your spine extended. And again, press your shape back and forward. Next time you come forward, pause, reset natural curves with spine. Now walk your knees back until you're in a plank from your head to your knees. So you're at a diagonal now. The toes can just rest flat onto your mat. Take some deep breaths here in this kneeling plank and really sense your strong arms pushing away from the floor. Your next breath out, bend the elbows, lowering all the way down to your mat. Have your legs nice and long here and bring your hands together, your forehead on the hands. Lift just the head up. So you're going to look at the wall in front of you and then dip your chin down towards your chest. And do that 2 more times. So you're really feeling into the movement of the neck. Let your head rest back onto your hands. And now rest with the neck and start to let your spine lift up. So your gaze will only go a little bit in front of your fingers. And lowering back down, keeping your elbows down. Deep breath in to come up. Exhale to lower. So it's a smaller spine lift in the upper back. Two more times. Now let's stay up and either keep your hands right where they are, continue to breathe deeply, or slide your hands underneath your shoulders. And use your hands, maybe come up a little higher, just a little bit higher, and then lowering back down. And again, upper, then middle back to lift. Exhale to lower down. One last time. Very nice. Reach one arm long and lay onto your side. So laying on long arm, bend your bottom knee and flex through both feet. Reach your top arm long as well and really sense the stretch through arms, through your leg. And notice how that's maybe getting your waistline right here to be even longer. Savor that length as your hand comes down and your top thigh lifts and down. So you're going to prioritize this right here staying long compared to how high the leg is lifting. Reaching with your leg. Keeping your leg up, point through your top foot, and do 3 circles in one direction again, still reaching long with your body. Pause, reverse the direction. Pause, lowering your leg down. Now you'll slide your leg back behind you as much as you can, and then bend your knee. Your heel will come towards your head, and take the leg back to straight. And repeat that, pulling heel in, and leg to go straight. And heel stays in, push yourself up so both knees are bent here. And hand can be on back thigh, and rolling that thigh forward and rolling it back. So your hand can help with this a little bit, rolling forward. Notice pelvis is rolling and rolling. So thigh and pelvis kind of going at the diagonal and then rocking back. Another time here. Very nice. Hand comes to knee, opposite arm lifts up, and just find your length here. Can you lengthen a little bit more, reaching longer and taller, longer and taller, longer and taller, and take your free hand down, fingertips, opposite arm lifts, and now tip over to the side. Your hand can walk away just a little bit and rotate down. Savor the length in the body. And bring both hands down. Feel free to bring the hands closer and towards you. So just find where that hand position can be. Gentle rotation, nothing forced here. Take another deep breath. Very nice. Unwind. And let's come laying onto your second side. So on long arm, Bend your bottom knee and flex through both feet here. Reaching top arm long as well, and find the length of arm to leg, feeling and sensing maybe longer in the waist. Savor that as your hand comes down and your top leg to lift and to lower, reaching longer, up and down. This next time your leg lifts, keep it there, point through your foot, and just 3 circles in one direction, reaching longer with your leg. And then reverse the direction for 3. Very nice, your leg lowers down. Slide your foot behind you as far as you can, and then bend through the knee. Center body right here stays nice and still, and the leg goes straighter. And again, bend through the knee, and leg to straighter. Keeping your knee bent, bring yourself up into your mermaid position here. Hand can go on back thigh, and just help it find that spiral back and forth. So it's okay, let that pelvis move right now as well. A few more times here. Then your hand can go towards the knee, reaching your free arm up and sense lengthen. Breathing even more deeply here. Your hand will come down. You can tip a little bit and then find the rotation. So again, feel free to adjust your hands so they're just right, maybe a little further away, closer and towards you. Play with it a little bit. And then sense your spine just ever so gently rotating a little bit more towards the mat. Taking another deep breath here. Very nice. And then bringing yourself back up and have a seat on your mat. Both knees are bent here. Your hands can be behind your thighs. And exhale, reverse. Roll yourself down. Take your time. We're not in a hurry for today's class. Take your time all the way down and then bring your feet closer towards you onto the mat. Inhale and exhale here. Do a few rocks with your pelvis. So you rock towards the belly button, then rock away. You should sense the lower spine heavier on the mat, then the lower spine light or lifted off the mat. Just find this rock back and forth. Then find that in between. Where is that in between for you? Arms stay nice and heavy by your side. Exhale, bring one knee over the hip. Just find that over the hip motion. And then your foot goes down. And switch sides, opposite thigh to lift. And down. And as you're doing this, trying to keep your pelvis, your lower back so still. And just find where is the knee right over the hip. We'll play with that in just a moment. Now knee over hip, and now bring your knees closer to your nose, knee over hip, foot goes down second side, hip, towards nose, hip, foot down. Even as your knee is coming towards your nose, try to keep the rest of the body really still here. Now, knee over hip, maybe a little bit closer towards you. Your leg will go straighter to the ceiling. Flex through the ankle and point through. Flexing through and point. Keeping your foot pointed. Lower the leg part way down, maybe just right in line with the other leg, and right back up towards you. Reaching forward and right back up. Two more times here. Reset, bend the knee, foot down. So knee over hip, knee in towards you a little bit more, and leg goes straighter, flexing through your foot and pointing through. keeping your foot pointed, and reach the leg forward, just part way forward, and then up. Again, reach forward. Three more times like this. Bend the knee, replace the foot. Both feet on the mat, they're pressing down. Go back into that tilt of the pelvis. So you tilt the pelvis towards the belly button, then peel your spine up off the mat. The spine's coming up, up, up off the mat. And then rolling back down. Deep breath in. And exhale, peeling your spine up off the mat. And rolling down. This next time you curl pelvis spine up, let's stay up there for, again, 3 deep breaths. Really sensing pressing strongly into feet. Let your shoulders be nice and heavy as well. The next time you breathe out, rolling your spine down, down, down towards the mat. Bend both knees into the chest, the lower back can go onto the mat, and just rock side to side with the pelvis, side to side. And cross through with the ankles. Bring yourself up and have a seat. Let's end where you began, sitting cross-legged, hands on knees. And allow yourself right now the time to take 3 more deep breaths. And just notice how that slower paced, gentle session was for you. I hope it really met you where you were today and that you have an amazing day and can join me on the mat soon.